Hey y'all, it's Quisha Elise. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is on these Crochet Boho box braids. I got this hair from Amazon and came in packs of 8. And it comes in different colors, but I chose this fire red color. It's really curly on the ends. It has that boho look already, so it makes it easy to crochet. I'll also go ahead and leave a link to this crochet pattern. It's a very versatile crochet pattern, makes it easy to do these crochet styles in just a couple of hours. It came with 8 packs, but I only used about 7. And it was only about $30, y'all. That's crazy. And that's all you need for a whole head of hair. It's just 1 pack of this hair from Amazon. And it comes in different colors and lengths as well. And while you're crocheting the hair in, you want to pull the curly ends through. And I'll show y'all how I started on the back. While doing the back of my head, I try to make sure I space out the braids evenly. That way it doesn't look too full, but it's full enough. Especially with this color red, you want to make sure you cover up your actual hair as much as possible. That way it gives the whole look, that red look. If you watch my crochet video, you'll see how on the back of my hair, I have it, all my braids connected into a little ball. So I try to make sure I cover up that little ball first and then continue cover up the back of my hair with the braids. I've been learning how to do my own hair for a while now. And one of the best techniques or tips I can give y'all is to make sure you have mirrors. In my bathroom, I use the bathroom mirror, plus I have a little hanging mirror on the back door, and that definitely helps so much with doing your own hair, with parting, and be able to see the back of your head to make sure everything looks full and how you need it to be, because we don't need to be walking around looking crazy with missing patches, anything in the back. So make sure you got some mirrors or whatever you need to help you see all angles of your head to make sure it's completely full on each side. Now I'll try to go ahead and speed this up some for y'all so y'all can get to see the final look. But let me know what y'all think about how it's coming so far. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I made sure the hair was pretty full back there, so I layered the crochet braids on top of each other. That way I can hide my real hair underneath, and it looks full and natural and bright red like how I want it. Yo, this hair was pretty easy to install and lightweight. I really like the texture, and it really saves time and money with the crochet hair being already braided in this boho style. The longest part was actually doing the crochet braiding pattern, which I'll leave a link to that video in the description. For this style, while I was doing the back, I started working on the sides. That way I can get all, as I said before, all sides of my hair filled in at the same time and have enough hair for each side. So I started with the sides and then I went back towards the middle. It took me about 2 hours, not even, probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get the hair all installed. So now that I'm done with the back, I'll show y'all more of the front and the finished look. While crocheting the hair in, I do try to make sure to tighten it and just give it an extra pull and tug on it to make sure it's secure. And that way all the hair stays in place and makes the look stay neat. All right, y'all, we're almost halfway through the video as well as the style. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you think about the color of this boho box braid style. Now that I'm working towards the front and getting this look finished, I did go back and make sure I had all the middle covered up. As I said, you want to make sure you don't have any missing spots or spots where it need to be filled in. There's more than enough hair that comes in these packs. It's about 16 strands, I believe, in each pack of 8, and I've only used about 7 of them. So if you do need to fill in or make sure you don't have any spaces, you do have more than enough hair that comes in this pack from Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box. I really loved how this look turned out. Red is my favorite color. I'm a Leo, born in July, so red is definitely my favorite color. So I love how this look came out. I wore this look for about 3 or 4 weeks, so it definitely does last. You want to make sure, as I said, to fill in any spaces and use as much hair as you need. There is 8 packs. This is a great protective style to help your hair grow, which is what I'm doing right now, trying to grow out my hair. And one of the main things to do that is when you do protective styles is to make sure you oil your scalp and in between the braids and just spacing them out. And I try to do this every day to make sure I oiled my scalp in the back and the front. Y'all, that is it for this video. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments, and turn on that notification bell so you know when I post my next video.